you know, when my aunt returned from this horrible concentration camp with her husband, they wouldn't let her in. She went to one of the concentration camps called Sobibor, which essentially, the reason that there are very few people who can talk about Sobibor is because it was a death camp. It was just for, you know, they killed the population. And a lot of the Dutch Jews went there. My aunt is one of the very few survivors. Sobibor is also one of the few camps where there was an uprising, of which my uncle, my aunt's husband, was a part, right? And he killed one of the guards there. A movie has been made out of this called Escape from Sobibor, both a movie and a book. And she also wrote a biography about her experiences, an autobiography, called Dancing in the Dark. I think that's the name of it. Dancing because she survived the camp because the Nazis, she somehow was able dancing, and that caught the eye of the Nazis, and that's how she was able to survive. And it's also how her husband had noticed her and fell in love with her and saved her. That's her story. So she's been very active in educating people about the Holocaust, right? And she's the one that went out. She was not allowed back in Holland, and as recently as 2 years ago, a couple of years ago, Holland, the Dutch government invited her to Holland, and she was on Dutch television. She met the Queen. She got an Order of the Empire or whatever, you know, all that kind of stuff. She got a medal, and they apologized, but she was unforgiving. She told them, "You're all anti-Semites."